Welcome to Tech Talent Trail, your go-to channel for the latest career insights, tech trends, and practical advice for breaking into the world of IT and tech. Whether you're an aspiring data analyst, cybersecurity expert, automation engineer, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you're passionate about tech and want to future-proof your career, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Automation engineers are some of the highest paid professionals in tech. But to thrive in 2025, you'll need more than just coding skills. Ready to take your automation skills to the next level? Click on the link in the description to check out the Automation Engineer course on Coursera. Automation is transforming every industry, from manufacturing to finance, healthcare to retail. Companies are investing billions in intelligent automation to cut costs, increase efficiency, and improve customer experiences. Today, we'll break down the most critical skills you need to succeed in this field in 2025. Skill 1. Programming languages: Python, JavaScript, and PowerShell. First up, Python. It's the Swiss Army knife of programming, used in automation, machine learning, and data analysis. Learn to automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and integrate AI solutions with Python. JavaScript is also essential for automating web processes, while PowerShell is a must-have for automating system tasks on Windows. Skill 2. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. RPA tools like UiPath, Blue Prism, and automation anywhere are redefining business processes. RPA skills let you create bots that handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers for higher-value projects. Enjoying the insights? Hit that subscribe button to keep the knowledge flowing. Skill 3. Machine learning and AI automation engineers must also understand machine learning and AI. This is the future of automation, where systems learn and improve without explicit programming. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are crucial skill for cloud computing. With more automation moving to the cloud, platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are must-knows. They offer scalable infrastructure and AI tools that make automation faster and more cost-effective. Skill 5. DevOps and CI/CD. Automation isn't just about scripts and bots. You need to understand DevOps, continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD, to streamline code releases and reduce downtime. In conclusion, mastering these essential skills is the key to standing out and thriving in this field. Hit the subscribe button for more tech career tips and stay ahead in this high-paying industry. Don't miss out. The future is automated.